Okay, I'm gonna show you what the requirements is to renew your certification as a CWI. It's kind of confusing. If you go to AWS website and you type in a CWI 9-year renewal, it'll give you the different options that you have to do to renew your certification. As you can see right here, it say what is recertification. You can read through some of this, and it gives you AWS 5.1 2003. But actually it's 2013 now that we're using. So I'm going to show you 2013 also, and you're going to also need to reference the QC 2016. But the path you can do, you can take your part B, which is the re-examination, and I wouldn't recommend that because it changes. Now they're only offering 40 questions instead of 46 questions. So if you miss a few questions, you're going to end up failing that test, and now you're going to have to recertify it, and you won't be a CWI anymore. The other path is continuing education, and you can take this at a college, or AWS also offer it online, the continuing education. So you have to get your 80 hours of your PDH, professional development hours, or you can do the AWS 9-year recertification course. It says it's going to cost you a little money, but you can click on these links and it'll take you to the courses and your application online. And it's a few steps involved. Like they say, the standard application processing time is 6 weeks, as you can see. So make sure you get that in time. Or you can do an endorsement or certification. It's a certified welding inspectors who have taken and passed any of the AWS endorsement exams, and you can click on this. It'll take you to the endorsement exams, and if you completed that, you do not have to retake the test, and you can renew your certification after 9 years. And this go on and on. But one thing they don't mention in here, if you are an instructor or if you teach courses, you are exempt from taking an exam. The only thing you have to do is send them a copy of your syllabus and your sign-in sheets for your students, and you're good. That's what I've done for this last 9-year renewal, which was a couple of years ago. I just sent in my syllabus and my sign-in sheets and paid my dues, and I got my recertification again. So I had to do that twice. I've been a CWI since 1996. So I had to do my recertification twice. I think the first time I did actually take the test, but the second time I used my syllabus because I teach at the college. And I'm going to show you these two reference right here, your specifications for qualification for welding inspectors. That's your AWS B5.1 2013, and your AWS QC1 is 2016. Let's look at this QC1 right here. I highlighted a few things that I think you probably should look over. Right here, it talks about the CWI Part B examination. I'm just show you some highlighted things. Now it's only 40 questions instead of 46 questions. So you got a better chance of failing this thing. But that's it right there. 15.2.2, change renewal application accepted no earlier than 11 months. So if you can't send your recertification application in no earlier than 11 months before your expiration. Right here is the experience. In addition to the requirements in AWS B5.1, which is over here, specifications of qualification welding inspectors, applications for senior certified welding inspectors. You have to have a minimum of 6 years, so that changed. You can get a copy of this stuff from off the American Welding Society. Okay, one thing I wanted to let you guys know it's coming in the future that you're going to be able to take part A and C at a Prometric site. I'm going to click on this. You can go to www.prometric.com, and once you pass the part A and C, then you can take the part B. You get your test results instantly, but they are not offering it right now as I speak, but eventually they will be, probably in another, I'll say 4 or 5 months. So that's a good thing. You can take A and C online, and part B you have to go to a site and take it. And upgrading from a CAWI to a CWI. So I'm gonna zoom in on this. And once you, if you meet all the scores required for a CWI, you can send your application in, but it's not automatic. You have to send it in. So I hope this helped, and subscribe to my channel and visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net.